Hi, this is Training for All. Welcome to the basic Microsoft Word tutorial. And in this tutorial, we'll be showing you the basic that you need to know in order to start using Microsoft Word. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. And today I'm going to show you how you can add and edit text within a Microsoft Word document. Now, I've opened this document, and if you want to change school, for instance, to italic, bold, or underline it, just click on, put your cursor there in front of school, and select school. Once school is selected, only school will get changed. So just that's the italic icon, that's underline, and that's the bold. So if you want to make it bold, just click on bold. There you go. This is in bold. If you want to put it in italic, select it and make it italic. If you want to underline it, select and underline it. Now, if you want to go back, just select it, go back, go back, go back. So that's all is done. It's done now. If you want to change the size, select it and come here and get the size you want. I want to put it on, to give it the 16. So that's 16. Only this changes. If you want to change everything, select everything and change, let's say, to 20. If you want to just change to, just change to 24. That's how it is. If you want to underline everything, there you go. Now, thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch any more of our videos, please do subscribe. If you have any question and you want to know something, please comment below, and we'll be really glad to help you. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.